everyone, very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus, weightage of the marks and unit wise important questions and model question papers in the subject of the chemistry for the bridge course first year students like this. So whatever I am telling, so this content is applicable for the MPC stream as well as the BPC stream students also. Okay, already I have discussed the I have done the video for the overall the physics syllabus. Now I am going to discuss about the chemistry. Okay, so this is a syllabus of the chemistry. Okay, how many units are there in chemistry? Like so this is a syllabus for the 100% syllabus. So based on the 100% syllabus, so this syllabus is will be there. Okay, so before deleting the content, actually what is the syllabus, if anybody will ask, no, so this is the syllabus of the physics for the BPC and MPC bridge course students. Okay, so unit 1. Okay, in this also not only syllabus, in this I will discuss about the weightage of the marks. So which unit is for which unit is carrying the more marks. Like here if you'll see the first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit as well as the seventh unit, ninth unit, 13th unit. So here these units are what I am repeating, no, these units are the carrying the like a 4 marks weightage will be there. If you thorough with these units, definitely you will get the 4 marks. Okay, so this is how many units are there in chemistry for the bridge course first year students in the subject of the chemistry. Like a 13 units will be there. Okay, this is a weightage. Like if you will go through now, you will get the, so no need to think about this. Is this number of periods applicable for the teachers. Okay, it's clear now. So next coming to the like a weightage I have discussed. Syllabus also I have shown the 13 units will be there in the chemistry for the bridge course first year students. Okay, so this is the like a weightage of the marks. Okay, it's clear now. So next I am going for the deleted content in the chemistry for the first year students. Okay, in the deleted content in the subject of the chemistry in first unit, there are 3 topics deleted: 1.1, 1.2, 1.6. So don't get any confusion. If you have the textbook, so please go through that. So this is the in textbook it's available like a 1.1, 1.2, 1.6. In textbook only it is available like this numbers and all. In question bank or bullet books, no, nothing will be there. Please don't get any confusion. So these are topics are deleted according to the textbook they have mentioned here. Okay, if you have the friends in English medium students, please get the textbooks from your classmates also. No need to buy. Okay, anyhow we don't have enough time, no. Okay, in second unit like 2 topics deleted. Third unit nothing is deleted. Complete unit you have to read in third unit. Fourth unit 3 topics are deleted. Fifth unit 2 topics deleted like a 5.2, 5.11 and all. Okay, and sixth unit 2 topics deleted. Okay, okay, not sorry, wait ma. Okay, in 6th unit 2 topics deleted. 7th unit 3 topics deleted. Okay, I will show the continuation here. Missed will be there. Okay, 7th unit 3 topics deleted: 7.7, 7.11, 7.12. 3 topics deleted in 7th unit. 8th unit 3 topics: 8.3, 8.4, 8.7 topics are deleted. Okay, 8.3, 8.4, not 8.5, 8.7 is deleted. Next in 9th unit like a 4 topics deleted: 9.4, 9.5, 9.9, 9.10 the topics are deleted. Next 10th unit 2 topics: 10.3 and 10.4 units are deleted. It's clear na? Okay, so once again please go through these units. Okay, so next coming to the continuation of this paper is missed, half of the only it came. So in 6th unit these 2 topics are deleted. Okay, 7th unit 3 topics, 8th unit 3 topics, 9th unit 2 topics, 10th unit 2 topics. It's clear? Okay, so here not 9th unit here 9.4, 9.5, 9.9, 9.10 also 4 topics are deleted. It's clear? So next 9th unit, if you'll see the 9th like a 10th 11th unit only 1 topic is deleted. 12th unit only 12th unit's entire chapter is deleted. Okay, you have to read ma. Okay, this environmental chemistry entire chapter is deleted, no need to read. Okay, 13th unit 3 topics. Okay, 13.8, 13.9, 13.10 is topics are deleted. It's clear to everyone? Okay, so in first unit 1.3 like 3 topics. Second unit 2 topics. Third unit nothing is deleted. Fourth unit you have to 3 topics deleted. Fifth unit 2 topics. Sixth unit 2 topics deleted. Seventh unit 3 topics. Eighth unit 3 topics. Ninth unit 4 topics. 10th unit 2 topics. 11th unit 1 topic. 12th unit entire chapter is deleted. Okay, 13th unit only you have to 13th unit, three topics are deleted. Okay, so we are focusing on the I completed the syllabus as well as the weightage of the marks. I completed the deleted content also. Next I am going for the unit wise important questions. It's clear. So these are the model wise sorry, not okay. First we will see the according to unit wise what are the important questions will be. Okay, first unit like a 4 marks weightage will be the first unit. These are the in first unit only 4 marks questions only there. Okay, these are the first unit 4 marks important questions. Next second unit 1 2 3 4 5 questions are there. Okay, in chapter 1 and chapter 2 also only 4 marks questions will be there. Okay, next coming to chapter 3. Okay, these topics whatever I am discussing important questions, please first you have to take the deleted content. After the deleting a content only, please go through the important questions. Okay, if you didn't see the deleted content, you are the losers. I am okay, don't blame me. Okay, so whatever this provided important questions with important questions in the chemistry, in physics also, in chemistry also, this question paper is prepared for the 100% syllabus. Okay, so that is the reason before only I discussed the deleted content in the chemistry. Please go through the deleted content. After that you have to focusing on this unit wise important questions. Okay, okay, if you are reading the important questions, if the any deleted content will be there, please mark it and please you can avoid it. It's clear. These are the unit 3 important questions. Next unit 4 important questions, very short answers question, like 1 mark questions will be there. These are all comes under 1 mark questions only. So next coming to stoichiometry, 1 mark questions, not 2 marks questions, actual 1 mark questions only. These all comes under 1 mark questions. Next coming to the 6th unit, 2 marks questions. Next 7th unit, 4 marks questions, not 4, very short answers. So you read the question, it will come 4 or 1 or don't bother, you have to read the question with the answer, that's it. So next coming to the 4 marks questions. Next coming to the 8th, hydrogen and its compounds. Okay, 1 mark questions only. You may have the only 1 mark questions in bridge course, not 2 marks questions. It's clear. Okay, next 4 marks questions, continuation of the 4 marks questions in 9th unit. Next coming to the 10th unit, 1 mark questions. Next in chapter 11, 14th 1 mark questions in chapter 11, continuation of chapter 11, 1 mark questions. Next chapter 12. So this chapter 12 is entirely deleted no need to read this. Okay, this topic is no need to read completely deleted the chapter 12, that is the environmental chemistry, so no need of read. So next 13th unit, 1 mark questions. So continuation of 13th unit, 1 mark questions. Next coming to 4 marks questions. Okay, it's clear now. So next I am going to show the model question paper in the subject of the chemistry for the MPC as well as BPC stream students also. Okay, this is a model question paper for the MPC and BPC bridge course first year students. Section A, already I have told now, section A carries 1 mark questions. You don't have any 2 marks questions, only 1 mark question only will be there. Okay, 8 questions will be there, you have to attempt any 5. You may have the 3 choice. Okay, 5 into 1, 5 marks. Okay, section A carries 5 marks. Next section B, 8 questions will be there, you have to attempt the same, but here each question carries 4 marks. So 5 into 4, 20. So 20 plus 5, 25 marks. The pass marks in the chemistry and chemistry also 10 marks. It's clear. So now I am going to show the one more model paper, but it is not available in English. I will show in Telugu. So try to understand, try to translate in English. Anyhow, you people have the mother tongue Telugu only. So no need to difficult while translating the Telugu to English or English to Telugu also. Okay, this is only available. Maybe it may be useful for you people when you are reading the important questions. So this is a Telugu version, Telugu version for the chemistry student, for the first year students in the first year students in the subject of the chemistry. Okay, this is all. Okay. The section B questions. It's clear, na? I'm not in college. I'm not in at home. Okay, so many students are requesting in so many ways. Like, please, we are having very hard in physics and chemistry. So in center itself, okay, I'm preparing in roadside. I'm making this video for you people. So many students are waiting for my video. I know very well, but okay. So that is the reason. So thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for supporting me. In the same way, I will also support you people. Okay, if you have any doubts, definitely I will provide you according to my situation. Like if sometimes I may not available, even though if I get any time, so definitely I will see the comments and I will try to give the feedback. Okay, so these are the some of the important questions in the chemistry. Okay, next one is the, okay, this is a one more question. Okay, I have given 3 model papers, one in English, 3 are there, 2 are there in Telugu only. Okay. Okay, so till now I have discussed the chemistry syllabus, weightage of the marks, model question papers 3, and like a unit wise important questions in chemistry. So this content is applicable for the not only regular students, like it not only like a BPC students, it's applicable for the MPC as well as the BPC students in the subject of the chemistry in the paper of the physical sciences. Okay, all the best, ma. Definitely you will write nicely. Definitely you will pass. Okay. So thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. All the best once again.